Alright, got an interesting one for you. Yeah, so the window has came off the reg. Need to get the door card off and then we'll have a look underneath. So here we go. This is not a standard window, and you know this because it has... it doesn't have a Toyota logo on the corner. It's this one, yeah. So as you can see, Toyota. So the issue is here, that as you can see it just came off it. So, you can see the big dollops of silicone that have been on there. Silicone, and I need to figure out what the hole is so I can get there. So to clean up these and put new silicone in them and squash the window up. It's quite easy actually. So I'm actually just going to be using like a Tiger Seal product, so a polyurethane sealant, Ultra SE, whatever the hell brand that is, but I use it to stick the side skirts on. Pretty good, seems alright. Luckily I just bought it, literally did this 2 days ago, so he's still fresh. So yeah, I need to... Ideal thing would be to take the window out and clean it up that way, but I can't really be bothered doing that, and I don't think anybody else could is either. So I'm just going to clean this one up, try and get the gloop off of them, and go from there. Just another thing to note, obviously if this has happened, you might want to stick some tape onto your window, just put it around like that, and that'll hold your window up for the meanwhile. But yeah, also make sure the window doesn't drop down. But yeah, just gonna clean this guy off with screwdrivers, and I'm going to do it with 2 hands so as I don't break anything else. Alright, cool. So I've kind of cleaned a bit of that stuff off. That doesn't look as good, but underneath it there is... Yeah, you're struggling to see it, but yeah, no, there is a bit underneath it that's clean. Alright, cool. So I've took more of the plastic stuff that stops the water from getting through, which seems to do its job pretty well. Just a note, if you have a replaced windscreen, just keep an eye out for bits of glass, because yeah, somebody got almost cut with it. Nice. Yeah, so this one, nice and easy to get to. This one's a bit more of a pain. You can even see they've went through here when they did it originally. So my game plan with that is to pray and hope that I get some in there. But mostly I'm going to put the regulator down so I can just like point the silicone in there as best as I can. And when it comes back up, you've obviously got to guide it onto the window, because the window sits a bit weird like that. This, yeah, you need to give it some help, but yeah. Decided to roll down the window just to make sure it was definitely covered. It's definitely covered. Right, cool, that's that stuck on. I've put the window up and I'm going to leave it up for as long as I can. Hopefully a day. It's raining, so I've got a pretty good incentive not to actually put the window down. But yeah, I'm just going to put everything back together and that's it. There's a little bit of an insight into what could be wrong with your window if it doesn't work. That or it's the window mechanism itself, and yeah, I knew it was this because this has happened before. It works.